Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! This video is about items you need to store so that you can provide for your family for up to 7 days or more during a food shortage. Remember, you might not have access to food, water and electricity for days or even weeks, so being prepared is very important. Here are 6 top tips to help keep you and your family safe. Number 1. You need to have in your emergency supply A. Foods that have a long expiry date and shelf life, like canned soup, meat, fruit and vegetables. B. Foods that can be kept at room temperature and do not need to be refrigerated, as you may not have power to your fridge freezer. C. Foods that do not need cooking, like peanut butter, jams, low salt crackers, cereals, nuts, dried fruit, juices and non-fat dry milk. D. Foods that provide comfort and lessen stress, like cookies, energy bars, hard candy, lollipops, instant coffee and tea bags. E. Baby food and formula or other dietary items for infants, seniors and people with special dietary needs. F. Pet food, again with a long shelf life that can be stored at room temperature. Number 2. Keep checking expiry dates and rotate your emergency food supplies, eating and replacing anything that is going to expire. Number 3. Store your emergency food supplies in an airtight container so that pests like mice can't get to them. Number 4. Store items that you and your family are used to, rather than buying special emergency food that family members may not want to eat. Number 5. Make sure you keep a manual can opener with your emergency food supplies. Number 6. Each person will need about 3 litres of clean water per day for drinking and cooking, 7 days at least, 21 litres for each person, plus your pets. The water should be stored in a cold, dark, frost-free place such as a shed, garage or outhouse. The food in your fridge freezer will spoil after a certain period of time if the power is out. So check out my video what to do first if there's a power outage. And let me know in the comments the types of food you plan to store and any other tips and information you'd like to share about your very own emergency food supply. Remember to think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. And share this video with your family and friends so they can be smart and be ready in case of a food shortage, natural disaster, emergency or power outage. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get regular survival updates and check out my channel to see more. Oh, and if you're like me and love my gear, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.